excited to show you my new project that I've created. So basically this is CAM, code architecture mapper. So it turns any public GitHub repository into clean architecture document and shows you diagrams of the architecture in under 2 minutes. So let me show you one public repository, that is this code's GitHub repo. So here is the GitHub repo. Let me analyze it. So I've previously analyzed this project, so it fetched it from the repo, from the cache. So there are 4 components to it. One is overview, components and dependencies, and files. So overview, components and dependencies are generated through AI agents, which are calling the Gemini API. So what it does is basically pulls the repo, runs a hybrid static analysis, and start the orchestration through AI agents. Then behind the scenes it parses Python, TypeScript, JavaScript to compute dependency graphs and let agent draft an overview and diagrams. So right now we are just having Python and TypeScript and JavaScript as a supported language. Then first you get a readable architecture overview in Markdown. So there are key components to it. First is general component maps, then data flow, then REST, and then how to extend this particular code. Then there is components tab, which tells you what are the different components of the project and the key files and the APIs and the dependencies, then the RESTs on your project for this component. Then we have dependencies. So this is very useful. So this gives you a Mermaid diagram which is generated through an LLM, through an AI agent, which self-corrects the Mermaid graph and gives you correct graph. Now in the group, which is generally can be seen by anyone, so it shows you how different components are connected to each other. Then there is one overview which tells you how exactly the less detailed and more overview of the project. Then there is detailed one, which gives you a very detailed overview of the project. And then there is a structure, which gives you structure of the files which are present in different parts of the app. Then we have this dependency inside, so it tells that there are 101 file-to-file relationships, there are some external categories found in the project, and there are total 227 external packages used to build this project. Then we have this files tab, which tells you how the connection of different files with each other. So nodes are using 2 other modules, and there are 9 modules which are using nodes. So these are fan in, fan out. Then is centrality. I calculated centrality through fan in, fan out. So basically it tells how much file connected with other files through that dependency fan that we have created previously. So I think that's it. Thank you for seeing this demo. And from raw code to diagrams and talks fast right now at cam.theshikhar.com. Thank you.